Most people watch their money disappear, while the rich turn that loss into profit. It may seem unfair, but it's not luck. It's knowledge. They understand that money wasn't made to be saved. It was made to be multiplied. While you work for money, they make money work for them. The secret is simple. An asset is anything that generates income or increases in value over time. Land stocks, real estate funds, businesses, digital products. The rich learn early how to use the system in their favor. While workers pay interest, they earn it. While workers get into debt, they lend. While workers spend, they invest. Time can be your enemy or your ally. For those who spend, it destroys money. For those who invest, it creates wealth. But the system doesn't want you to know this, because if everyone understood, no one would accept living trapped in endless work and debt. The good news is, you can escape this game. It's not easy, but it's possible. It all starts with how you see money. Money is not the goal. It's the tool. And like any tool, those who master it build, those who don't, destroy. When you get paid, leaving your money untouched is the worst mistake. Every day, it loses value. Inflation eats away at your purchasing power while you barely notice. But when you turn money into something productive, it starts to protect you. Compound interest is like a snowball, small at first, but unstoppable over time. Inflation is the opposite. It melts your money slowly, until one day you realize you worked your whole life for something that's worth less and less. That's why the rich never keep money. They keep value. They buy what lasts. Real assets, knowledge, investments. The average person can do the same. Understand the game, and then play it differently. Stop spending everything you earn. You don't need to start big. Invest 10%, invest 5%. The important thing is to start. Invest in knowledge. Learn how compound interest works. Understand funds, stocks, and government bonds. Use time in your favor. But above all, stop waiting for the system to save you. It was designed to keep you dependent, to make you believe stability means safety. But real safety comes from control. Control of your income, your investments, your mind. When you change your mindset, money stops being the enemy and becomes your employee. The rich aren't superhuman. They just learned something no one teaches. Money is energy. If you let it sit still, it dies. If you make it move, it grows. Even in times of crisis, they keep growing. Because a crisis isn't the end, it's an opportunity. While some cry, others sell tea. While some complain about inflation, others profit from it. Because they know when money loses value, assets rise in price. And those who own assets win. That's how the rich get richer. It's not luck. It's math. It's strategy. It's mindset. And it all begins with one choice: to stop chasing money and start understanding what it really is. Money is a mirror. It reflects who you are. If you treat it like something that slips away, it always will. But if you understand it, it starts to work for you. The secret isn't making more, it's losing less. Protect what you earn. Invest smart. You don't need to be a millionaire to start, but you need to start to ever become one. Every dollar invested is a piece of freedom. Every debt avoided is a step away from modern slavery. Financial freedom doesn't come from a raise. It comes from awareness, from understanding the game, and from this moment on, you know what most people never learn? Money loses value while you work, but knowledge gains value while you grow. The system may stay the same, but you are no longer the same. You understand the game. And when you understand the game, you stop being a pawn and start being a player.